what are we up to today?
Who knows?
Where's the sign?
Where is it?
Oh, I don't know if that's backwards or not.
So who do you think is gonna get a tattoo today?
One of us. Maybe.
Have to find out.
So every evening, under our camper, comes the little mallard ducks. The little boys out here in the yard, but they sleep right there under our camper. They know where they're safe. How cool is that? In the Panhandle, they had parrots. Their big thing in their RV.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, he is nice. So what's his name?
That's Gizmo. He's a sulfur-crested cockatoo.
Gizmo. He was helping them get their batteries out, it looked like. A great helper.
I'm afraid those would crush him pretty good.
They didn't seem too worried about it.
No, he's pretty much...
It's amazing the pets people travel with.
Yeah.
Hey, Gizmo. Hey, buddy. He's like, I don't know about you. I'm not worried. Oh, he's got a nut.
Yeah.
Look at that. He's playing with it. It's so neat. He's showing off a little bit.
Yeah, he does.
Oh, Gizmo. Here come my ducks. I'm gonna feed them some of these mealworms, I hope. You like those? Yummy. Oh, they're liking them mealworms. Like 5 hours in, you think?
Something like that, yeah.
Yeah. All the snakes here in Gatlinburg. Look at them, they're all together. It must be the young ones, I guess. Alrighty guys, right here on the strip on the parkway, found a bunch more cool cars to check out. So we found a comet gathering. All these cars are comets. Check them out.